channel Webcrafted by Ismail. Today we're starting one of the most important topics in web development: master HTML form and tags. If you're a beginner and want to learn how forms are built, this is the perfect place to start. In this video, we'll learn the following points. Number 1, which tags are used to build a form. Number 2, their functions. Number 3, how to write them in Visual Studio Code. Number 4, how the form looks in Chrome. Number 5, how it works. Let's start without delay. First, which tags are used to build a form? The following tags are used to build a form, as you see on the screen. We will code these in VS Code later, but first let's understand their functionality. Number 1, form tag. The tag in HTML is used to create a web form that allows users to input data, which can then be sent to a server for processing and displayed on a Chrome page. The form can contain various input elements like text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and submit buttons, like this. Number 2, label tag. The tag in HTML is used to associate a text description with a form input element, such as a text field, checkbox, or radio button. This provides several benefits, like this. Number 3, tag. The input tag in HTML is used to create interactive form controls that allow users to enter data. Key, it's a versatile element that can be used in various ways depending on the type attribute. Common type attributes. 1, text, single-line text input. 2, password input, mask text. 3, email address, input. 4, checkbox, Boolean input, true, false. 5, radio, single selection from multiple options. 6, number, numerical input. 7, date input. 8, submit, form submission button. Placeholder attribute. The placeholder attribute in HTML is used to provide a hint or example text within an input or text area element. This text is displayed in the input field before the user enters a value, like this. Number 4, select tag. The select tag in HTML is used to create a drop-down list of options that allows users to select one or more values. Number 5, option tag. The option tag in HTML is used to define an option in a drop-down list, like this. Number 6, fieldset. The fieldset tag in HTML is used to group related form controls together, providing a visual and semantic container for form elements, like this. Number 7, legend. The legend tag in HTML is used to provide a caption or title for a fieldset element, which groups related form controls together, like this. Now number 3, I write all the tags in Visual Studio Code quickly. Finally, number 4, check out what the form looks like in Chrome. This is our form. The last thing, number 5, how it works. Now see it in action. Our video for today ends here. So that was your first step into the world of web development with HTML. In the next video, we'll go deeper into HTML and learn how to style these forms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And comment below if you have any questions.